To change set background in Telegram in Android phone, open Telegram app, tap Telegram to open, and then tap more icon or three line icon, select settings. Next, tap settings, and then tap change chat background. Select background you want. And then tap apply to apply. Tap set background. Or if you want to select from gallery, tap select from gallery. Select chat background you want. Example, this background. And then tap apply icon. Or if you want to adjust, you can select a tool in here. Tap apply to apply. You can tap set background or select motion or blur. Tap set background to set as chat background. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.